Hello everyone and welcome to Learning Updates. Today in this video I am going to share you some free certification course from Udemy. So the first course will be Communication Skills Starter Pack. In this course you can learn 7.5 hours on demand video. So this is full-time access after applying the coupon code mentioned over here. This is a paid course. You can see this it cost is 799 rupees, but after applying this code the course will be entirely free for 3 days for free. After 3 days the course coupon will be expired. So you can see the course content over here. What you can learn: articulate ideas with clarity and confidence, negotiate with others to create win-win deals, manage your time for peak productivity each day. So each everyone is mm, everything will be develop and help you to enhance your communication skills. You can see there are 1980 students already enrolled in this course, and this course is recently updated on 4th April of 2024. This course is provided in English language. So the next course will be AI and Operations Management and Strategic Management 2.0. So this is also a free certification course for limited time. This course is also a paid course. You can see this course will cost around 1799 rupees, but after applying this coupon code, this course will be free for the next 4 days. So you can see there are 2,992 students already have enrolled in this course, and this course is recently updated on May month. The current month 2024. This course will provide in English language, and there are some very great ratings provided by learners. So what we will get after enrolling this course, you will get 2 hours on demand video, and after completing this course you will get a free certification and you will get the entire lifetime access of this course. After enrolling this course once a time, you will get the lifetime access in your dashboard section of this uh, in this app. So the learning content will be you have mentioned over here, like understand the fundamentals and of operation management and its significance in business operations, and explain the key concept and principles of strategic management and its relationship with operation management, and so on. So how AI will enhance your operation management and strategic management. This is for business professionals and someone who also wants to enhance pursue their career in business management, so also they can enroll in this course. So the next course will be the Lean Six Sigma and Agile methodology in project management. So this course will be mainly based with for project managers and someone who also wants to pursue their career in project management and project enhancement process. So this course will also helpful for them. In this course you will get 1.5 hours on demand video, and this will be the full lifetime access. You can see it is also a paid course, and after applying this coupon code, this course will be free for only 4 days. After 4 days this coupon will expire and you have to pay this amount to purchase this course. You can see there are 4,764 students already enrolled in this course, and there is a very great amount of feedback and the rating provided by the students who already completed this course. This course is recently updated on this current month. So what we will learn in this course will be understanding principles and the origins of Learn Six Sigma and Agile methodology. Six Sigma and Agile methodology is uh, a project management course. After learning this course, you will able available to how to manage a project, how to complete a project, how to plan a project. This is very useful. Project management is a very useful course in nowadays after this booming industries and the industry standard certification in this current job market. So the next course will be WordPress for beginners up to expert master WordPress. So this will be the 1 hour on demand video, and this is the mainly for the students who want to pursue their career in web development and web design field. So WordPress is mainly used to design the web page and website development. So there are two articles and 1 hour on-demand video, and we'll also get the full lifetime access of this course. And after completing this course, you will get a free certificate which you can showcase in your resume or your in your LinkedIn profile to get the better visibility of your profile in for to the potential employers, and you will get the better job opportunity. So you can see there are 30,169 students already enroll in this course. This course is highly rated. The Udemy is also suggesting this course is highly rated by the persons who already enrolled and completed this course. So it will be the one of the best opportunity. So for limited time to enroll this course and get the free certification. The learning contents are already mentioned over there. How to register your website domain name and with it WordPress, and set up affordable hosting domain and daily backup with WordPress. Learn about how to use visual builder WordPress and so on. There are lots of learning opportunities in this course. So please enroll with your convenient time and complete this course within the stipulated time. So next course will be also Python development fast steps and development IDE platform. So Python is a very user-friendly programming language, and this is very useful as per this current job market. Every program development point of perspective, Python is a very user-friendly and on-demand uh, software development software development program. So in this, after enrolling this course, you will get 1 hour of on-demand video, one coding exercise. You will also get one downloadable resource, and you will get the free certification and the full lifetime access with this course. This course is also a 790 rupees. It will cost after the free coupon which is already applied over here. After the coupon will expire, you will have to pay 799 rupees. So before expiring this coupon, you can enroll this course as soon as possible. You can see also 28 1,882 students already enrolled in this course, and this course is very much good rating provided by the learners and the someone who already enrolled and completed this course. So what you will learn: Python development essentials, interpreters and IDs, setting up Anaconda, web-based alternatives to IDs, let's grid the wall, and so on. And the next course will be 2024 R Programming Bootcamp for absolute beginners. R is also a very renewable and very much on-demand programming language nowadays. Is a very useful for current job market. So in this course, you will also get a 1.5 hours on-demand video and full lifetime access. And after completing this course, you will get a free certificate, and the learning contents will be basics of R programming, data structure in R, create your own functions that will enable you to utilize code and do interesting graph plotting. So this code is also completed by 35,321 students, and this is a very decent amount of rating given by them. So that's all about today. We'll come back with another and some of free certification course soon. So thanks for watching, and please share with this video with your friends, with your colleagues, and people surrounded by you, so they also get an opportunity to enter this course and enhance their skill sets within this time. Thank you.